Hi everybody, my name is Nida, and what you see in the screen in front of you is a visualization of the relation between Web 3.0, Metaverse and NFTs as I perceive it to be. And my perception is that Web 3.0, which is a natural progression of the World Wide Web, is like an ever growing tree. You can conceive that the data that you share on this platform would contribute to the semantic web that would characterize Web 3.0. And of course, artificial intelligence, for which data is the fuel, will be another technology that will be very dominant. Then in parallel, we will see metaverse. You hear in the media, you hear people in the tech space talking a lot about how important metaverse is. And when we talk about the metaverse, or the kind of virtual environment that people are trying to create, which is similar or equivalent to the experience that you have while living in the physical world, what you would require is some kind of ownership of what you own in the virtual world, just like you have different kinds of mechanisms to tell others your ownership status of the assets that you have in the real world. For example, you have a home, you have a phone, you have a car, and by default people know that they belong to you, let's say because you are holding the phone, the car is parked in your house, and if, for example, that car is stolen, then you will have the document to prove to the law that the ownership of the car really belongs to you and not the person, let's say, who stole the car from you. For example, similarly, we need to have these kinds of ownership rights in the metaverse, and these ownership rights can be provided by non-fungible tokens or NFTs. Now, who will be the people who will be managing this new kind of a web, that the semantic web that we would be seeing, Web 3.0? It would be you and I, it would be the people. So people will have the power to control the content, the applications, the designing, the managing, and similar on a Web 3.0. So they will realize the importance that they have in this entire decentralized infrastructure. And once they realize the importance, they start contributing to developing and maintaining Web 3.0. They would expect some kind of economic incentive or remuneration for the time and the content or the work they are providing for Web 3.0. And this remuneration can be provided through digital currencies like cryptocurrencies, through blockchain platform. Because if you just conceive the infrastructure that would hold Web 3.0 and help to scale and make it progress, then we can think of a decentralized infrastructure. And blockchain would be the optimum technology to help realize this decentralized infrastructure. So if you have any questions or any comments, please don't hesitate to get back to me. Thank you.